In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resubscribe to emails in Gmail. Whether it's an important newsletter or updates from your favorite online store, sometimes we accidentally unsubscribe from emails we actually wanted to keep. But don't worry, I'll guide you through straightforward steps to get back on those mailing lists. To kick things off, the first step is to actually open your Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, just enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the spam or trash folder. These folders are where a lot of your unsubscribed and unwanted emails may have ended up. To find them, look over on the left-hand sidebar of Gmail. Scroll down until you see these options and click on them. Now, scan through these folders to locate an email from the sender you want to resubscribe to. This is an essential step because you need to find an email from the sender to resubscribe. After you've located an email from them, open it up. As many of these types of emails might be categorized under spam, Gmail gives you an option at the top of the email to let it know that you want to continue receiving messages from this particular sender. You should see a message at the top offering to report not spam. Click on that. This action will help ensure that future emails from this sender land in your inbox, not your spam. Next, scroll to the bottom of this email. Many commercial emails have an unsubscribe link at the bottom. Since we're looking to reverse this, click on the link and it will typically take you to a subscription page or a website where you can manage your email preferences. Depending on the sender, you might see a button that says resubscribe or something to that effect. Click it and you should be all set to start receiving emails from this sender again. If you don't find an unsubscribe link in the email or if clicking it doesn't work, don't worry. Instead, navigate back to your inbox and use the search bar at the top. Type in keywords associated with the sender you're hoping to resubscribe to, looking carefully at old emails you'd like to start receiving again. If a dedicated resubscribe feature isn't available, sometimes replying to the email with a request to resubscribe can also work, as many email campaigns are able to manually manage subscriptions. Finally, it's always good to add the sender's email address to your Gmail contacts. This simple action will tell Google that this particular sender is not spam and is an important contact helping you stay connected. And there you have it. You've successfully resubscribed to emails in Gmail. This process ensures that you won't miss out on any important communications, promotions, or updates. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.